Easy homemade flapjack recipe. These golden, chewy flapjacks are the perfect sweet treat made with just a few simple ingredients. Packed with oats and rich buttery flavor, they make a great snack, lunchbox filler, or afternoon pick-me-up. Ingredients: 350 g porridge oats, pinch of salt, 200 g unsalted butter, 100 g golden syrup, 175 g light brown soft sugar. Melt the butter mixture. In a medium saucepan, gently heat the butter, golden syrup, and light brown sugar over low heat. Stir occasionally until the sugar has dissolved and everything has melted into a smooth mixture. Prepare the oats. Add the porridge oats and a pinch of salt into a large mixing bowl. Stir to combine. Pour the melted butter mixture over the oats. Stir well until all the oats are evenly coated. Bake. Spoon the mixture into the prepared tin and press it down firmly with the back of a spoon or spatula to create an even layer. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Heat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius fan, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 4. Line an 8-inch square baking tin with parchment paper. Lightly grease the tin with butter to help the paper stick. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. The flapjacks will feel soft when hot, but will firm up as they cool. Cool and slice. Allow to cool completely in the tin before lifting out. Use a sharp knife to cut into squares or bars. Storage tips. Store in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Best eaten within 1 week. Optional add-ins. Try mixing in raisins, chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or dried fruit before baking for extra flavor and texture.